Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I again request you to welcome our special guest, Dr. BBVL Deepak, Associate Professor, NIT Rourkela, by presenting a sapling. Thank you so much, sir. Now I request the convener of the conference, Dr. L.R. Bhandarkar, to welcome Dr. R.D. Patidar, sir, by presenting a sapling. Thank you, sir. Now I request the convener, Dr. Mithilesh Sahu, to welcome Dr. Mahesh Bhivapurkar, sir, by presenting a sapling. Thank you so much, sir. May these saplings flourish as a symbol of our collective commitment to a sustainable future. Advancements, innovation, and sustainability. These three pillars define not just the theme of our conference, but also the very essence of the solutions we seek to address today's global challenges. In a world where technology is evolving at lightning speed, innovation becomes the key driver of growth, and sustainability is no longer a choice, but a necessity. It is my honor to invite Dr. R.D. Patidar, sir, the chairman of the conference, and Honorable Vice Chancellor OPJU, for a welcome address and to set the context of the conference. Sir, please.
Thank you, Dr. Kuber. Very warm good morning to everyone. The chief guest of today's function, Mr. Ashutosh Satpathy ji, GM, Operation and Maintenance, NTPC Lara, Raigarh. The guest of honor, Mr. Art Cheng, Associate Program Director, MS Technology Management, Columbia, USA. He connected online. The guest of honor, Dr. Anil Kumar Tiwari, Professor, HAG, NIT Raipur. Welcome, sir. Dr. BB Deepak from NIT Rourkela. Shri SS Rathi ji, Plant Head Nalwa. Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, OP Jindal University, Raigarh, Dr. Mahesh. The convener of the conference, Dr. Mithilesh, Dr. Kuber, Dr. Bhandarkar. The expert of this particular conference, keynote speakers, plenary talk speakers, distinguished delegates, faculty members, students, participants, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of OP Jindal University, it is my privilege to extend a warm welcome to all of you to the inaugural ceremony of the first Engineering International Conference, MEICON 1.0, on a special theme, the advancement, innovation, and automation for the sustainability. This momentous event is a significant milestone in the academic and research journey of OP Jindal University. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Special congratulations to the convener, Dr. Mithilesh and Dr. Bhandarkar, for organizing such a wonderful conference on the current need. And your commitment to the advancing mechanical engineering, manufacturing, innovation, and automation is truly commendable. OP Jindal University, founded under the visionary leadership of Honorable Chairman Mr. Naveen Jindal, embodies the values of excellence, sustainability, and empowerment. His unwavering belief in the transformative power of education inspire all of us to create a global center of learning that nurtures innovation and promotes the holistic development of the students of OP Jindal University. Our Honorable Chancellor, Srimati Shalu Jindal ji, a strong, passionate advocate for education and sustainable development, has always emphasized the importance of empowering youth with the knowledge and skills required to thrive in a dynamic world. Her vision of fostering an environment of creativity, critical thinking, innovation, problem solving ability, inclusivity, and social impact continues to guide OPJU endeavors. As a university, we are committed to achieving excellence in education and research. Our NAC-A accreditation in the first cycle of the accreditation is a testament to our focus on quality education. Recently, only the last week, the university is also awarded as UI Green Metric first position in Chhattisgarh, 15th in India, and 432 position in the world. Also a testament of our focus on the sustainability. And the NAC achievement is the testament of our focus on quality education, robust academic infrastructure, and the dedicated efforts of our accomplished faculty members. In a very short span of 10 years, we are about to complete 10 years in a decade-old university. Today we have three schools: School of Engineering with 6 departments: Mechanical Engineering, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering. And the youngest department of School of Engineering is the Mining Engineering. We also started the School of Management with BBA, BA Economics, BCom Honors, and MBA program. And the youngest school of the university is the School of Science with BSc and MSc programs. Also started BSc in Biotechnology and BSc in Analytics. Today, we have around 2,500 students from 22 states of the country. And now we are thinking to make the university a global university. Recently, we signed 10 plus MOUs with the international universities. And out of these 10 international universities, we have identified the 6 universities with the OP Jindal University is going to start the student exchange program. The one is the Changwon University, South Korea, Sohar University, Oman, Northumbria University, UK, Anhui University, China, and we are also in process of collaborating with the Columbia University, USA. We are actively implementing the new National Education Policy 2020 in the campus of the university, reimagining our higher education to make it more inclusive, multidisciplinary, and future ready. Our focus on experiential learning. In OP Jindal University, we are adopting the learning by doing teaching pedagogy. Interdisciplinary research and skill development aligns with the global trends and industry demands. At this moment, I'm very happy to share to all of you the recently I, along with the senior leadership team of OP Jindal University, we visited 10 plus centers of excellence in skills in India and abroad. Along with our Honorable Chancellor Srimati Shalu Jindalji, we recently attended the World Skill Competition held in Lyon, France in the month of September. And we visited so many other universities like Metropolia University, Finland, Sohar University, Oman, and the World Skill Competitions. And based on the experience we gained, the management, our chairman, Honorable Shri Naveen Jindalji, and our chancellor, Srimati Shalu Jindalji, they are very keen to set up an integrated skill development hub in the campus of the university. The hub will be a world-class hub in 4 to 5 verticals, including 20 domains that covers the advanced welding technology, hydraulics, pneumatics, water technology, 3D printing, CNC machining and measurement, electric vehicles, robotics, and in sustainable power and energy. Our focus is on the renewable energy like solar, wind, even nuclear also, semiconductor, and HMI, SCADA, AC drives, AC and DC drives. And one of the vertical of the skill development center will be Industry 4.0, where we will cover the domains like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, cyber security, cloud computing, data analytics, blockchain. So altogether, in the university, we are in process of establishing a world-class integrated skill development hub. And for that, the location and the building is building designing by a uh, very famous architect is in under process, and very soon probably we are going to inaugurate in the month of February 2025. So we are expecting that the center will be ready by July or June 2026. So this is another vision of the Honorable Chairman Naveen Jindal ji and our Chancellor Srimati Shalu Jindal ji for the holistic development of the students. And we want that the students should be industry ready by developing their skill based on the current industrial need. In addition to academic, we are in process of that I already covered. At OPJU, we pride ourselves on fostering a culture of research and innovation. Our faculty and students are actively engaged in projects that address real-world challenges, making meaningful contribution to industry and society. We have so many center of excellence exist in the university, like Center for Excellence in Industry Academia Collaboration. We have a Center for Corporate Education and Training. We have a dedicated Center for Innovation, where we are promoting the startup and entrepreneurial skills. Whatever the idea conceived in the mind of the students or the faculty or the nearby community, how the idea can be converted into a business model. That particular center, headed by Dr. Dipayan, Dr. Himanshu, both are sitting here. So we are also in process of establishing an incubation center under our OPJU Innovation Center. The theme of this conference, focusing on advancement in mechanical engineering, manufacturing, innovation, and automation, is very relevant for the sustainable development. These domains are at the core of industrial transformation, enabling efficiency, sustainability, and growth across sectors. From the automation of manufacturing processes to innovations in mechanical design, the development in these fields are shaping the future of industries, nation, and the global economy. In this particular conference, MEICON 1.0, we received 350 plus papers across 5 countries. And out of 350 plus papers, around 356 papers, we finally selected 142 papers that will be presented in 8 to 9 technical sessions in 2 days, including today. In addition, there will be 10 keynote speeches and the plenary talk by experts across the country. This event is being organized in collaborations with Sohar University, Oman, and Metropolia University of Applied Science, and also sponsored by NTPC Lara, Nalwa Plant, MSP, and JSW. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chairman, Mr. Naveen Jindal, and our Honorable Chancellor, Srimati Shalu Jindal ji, for their inspiring vision and continuous support, which have been instrumental in driving OPJU to new heights. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to our management, faculty, organizing committee, and students for their relentless effort in making this event a reality. To our distinguished speakers and participants, we are deeply honored by your presence and contribution to this conference. In conclusion, MEICON 1.0 is not just a conference but a platform for knowledge sharing, collaboration, and innovation. Let us seize this opportunity to explore groundbreaking ideas, build networks, and collectively contribute to the advancement of mechanical engineering and sustainable development. With these words, once again, I welcome one and all present here, and I once again congratulate to Department of Mechanical Engineering for organizing such a wonderful conference on the current need. So thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for the inspiring words and for setting the tone for this conference. Now I invite our guest of honor, Mr. Art Chang, Associate Program Director, MS Technology Management, Columbia, SPS, New York, USA, to share his thoughts. Mr. Art Chang is an award winning creative problem solver and change agent with 40 years of experience building and leading startups that address local and business challenges. He's also the founder and CEO of Ali. Throughout his career, Art has applied his insights and experience to advancing equity in undeserved communities. A decade ago, he wrote, "If change is a measure of success, then the politics is by necessity technology. Sir, please.
Thank you so much for that kind introduction. First, I want to say a big thank you to my star student and now Columbia graduate, Kanesha Pollywall, for her warm introduction to O.J. Pindall University, and especially to OJPU's distinguished Vice Chancellor and Conference Chairman, Dr. R.D. Patidar. Such a pleasure to meet you and to get to know you. Thank you to the faculty and students of OJPU for having me here today. It's a delight. Congratulations also on the inaugural conference, MEICON 1.0, Advancements in Mechanical Engineering, its importance on sustainability, challenges, and issues. I share this excitement because I'll tell you just a brief story. In 1998, New York City did not have a thriving venture capital or tech startup community. It had lots of small pieces all scattered about. And with a conference called Venture Downtown, I and 3 other people brought together all these different parties to create the first venture capital conference in New York City. And look at where we are today. You know, we are now one of the global leaders, if not the global leader, in technology entrepreneurship. And so I know this is possible, and so these kinds of conferences are very, very important. So congratulations on that. So as you know, I'm Art Chang. I'm Associate Program Director and Associate Professor of Practice in the Masters of Science Program in Technology Management at Columbia University School of Professional Studies. Just a quick note about our school. Our program has been around for 20 years. We have had over almost 5,000 graduates who are now CEOs, CIOs, CTOs, CISOs, and other senior management in world-leading companies like Microsoft, Meta, Apple, BlackRock, Oracle, Amazon, and many, many others. Our professors come from Apple, Amazon, Waymo, Red Hat, Samsung, Time Warner, JP Morgan Chase, Comcast, Bell Labs, and universities like MIT, Stanford, Yale, Harvard, and Columbia. And why do I say these things? I say these things because what we're talking about today is, I think, a very interesting and exciting opportunity to be able to enable OJPU to have some of these same names, some of these same benefits through forming partnerships that I'll talk about in one second. With Ms. Pollywall, we're making an introduction to an organization called NETGE. NETGE stands for the New England Commission of Higher Education. It's the accreditation body in the United States for all of the colleges and universities in New England. That means Harvard, Yale, Columbia, MIT, all the universities within that Massachusetts, New England area, along with about 20 others in the US and another couple dozen globally. What we are trying to do is to create a partnership of partnerships. You already have an incredible accreditation from the highest accreditation from India. I've heard so many words from Dr. Patidar that echo many of the things that we teach ourselves, learn by doing, experiential learning. We want to enable the #1 rated private university in India to have the potential to partner with any university, including Columbia University. And the way to do that is to obtain US-based accreditation, which means that through that, the OPJU will be able to offer degrees that are recognized in the United States and enable students from the United States to come here as well. And that would be a very, very exciting opportunity to really create more energy and more innovation for India's tech community. So we're very, very excited about this potential, and we think that it's really enormous. And we're going to kick this off next week by introducing Dr. Patidar to the president of NETGE. I do want to spend a couple minutes talking about the theme of this conference. the conference is called Advancements in Mechanical Engineering, its importance on sustainability, challenges, and issues. But I'm going to talk about software. And you might ask, why software? Well, I'm going to come back to that in just a minute. Following up on some important things that Dr. Patidar says, innovation requires new ways of thinking. And part of this means that we have to empower everyone to be able to think differently, to make everybody realize that they have far more potential than they think they do. Building confidence is really a key to unlocking the innovation that is inside of every single person. I want to bring you back to, some of the recent history. 1965, which is not that long ago, is when Gordon Moore, the founder of Intel, came up with Moore's Law. Look what's happened to chips since then. And look at where NVIDIA is. And what that's enabled us to do in terms of speeding the progress of not just software, but all of technology. In 1991, open source came about, enabling everybody to have access to free and increasingly easier to use software. The same software that powers companies like Netflix and Oracle and Pivotal. In 2001, the Agile Manifesto decreed a new way of working with software, setting the pace for cloud in 2006. So why do I talk about software? Dr. Patidar mentioned artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is software and data. We're at this place right now where just a couple of years ago, OpenAI released ChatGPT, making it the fastest growing software release ever in human history. Within 60 days, over 30% of the global market had tried ChatGPT. That's a level that has never been seen before. But AI is also changing very, very rapidly. We're not just at this place of chat and generative AI. We are on the verge of some major, major developments. Agentic AI, artificial general intelligence, which is almost certainly going to come in the next 5 to 10 years. And then we look at what's happening within the hardware space with chips. So Google just released Willow, right? The first potentially commercializable quantum computing chip. Ahead of us lies a future that is going to be full of innovation. And with that, it's also going to come with lots of risks. Those risks are going to include not just cybersecurity, but also climate. If you do one single search on ChatGPT, it uses the equivalent of a bottle of water. If the OpenAI's latest model is going to consume as much electricity to develop that model as New York City uses in 1 year. There are lots of risks, and climate is one of them. So we need to think about a more sustainable future. Obviously, mechanical engineering is also changing, right? There's the obvious things to look at are the Internet of Things, robotics, 3D printing, CNC, but there's so much more. We're already seeing the introduction of smart materials, right? The marriage of digital with traditional materials like steel. But what does it do? How does it actually have intelligence? How is it smart? It's made smart by software. And with software and some of these new smart materials, we can think about having advanced building technologies that have never been seen before. So these new capabilities are going to be something that you're going to see ahead of you. There are going to be ways in which India is going to have an opportunity to not just catch up with the rest of the world, but potentially to leapfrog it. There's so many intelligent minds and hardworking people in India. And I know because many of my students are from India. When we see software embedded in materials as firmware And then we're going to start seeing a whole new generation of materials coupled with software and made real. And that's very, very exciting to me. And so the opportunity to be able to have OPJU join the U.S. colleges and universities through accreditation is very exciting because we can do so much more together, and I'm really looking forward to that. So I want to leave you with some just final words of encouragement. Your future is very, very bright, especially coming here to a place like this. Your leaders are working extremely hard to bring innovation to the university, which will benefit you, benefit your alumni, and benefit the industries throughout India. One of the things that my parents always used to say, my family is from Korea, is work hard, work hard, work hard, work hard. One of the things that we've learned from the United States is that it's important to work hard, but it's also maybe more important to work smart. And I think that is going to be the lesson for the future. Work hard, work smart, don't be afraid to be different, because you will also become an innovator by doing that. So thank you so much for this opportunity to speak with you and share a few words. I'm looking very much forward to coming to India and coming to visit you in person. So again, thank you so much, and thank you, Ms. Paliwal, for the introduction.
Thank you, sir. We eagerly await your arrival to India, sir. Thank you, sir, for your enlightening and insightful words. Now I invite our guest of honor, Dr. Anil Kumar Tiwari, sir, Professor, Higher Administrative Grade, NIT Raipur, to address the audience. Professor Anil Kumar Tiwari earned his doctoral degree in the field of solar thermal and energy utilization for water distillation at the Center of Energy Studies, IIT Delhi. With a career spanning over 3 decades, Dr. Tiwari has made some path-breaking contributions to mechanical engineering, particularly in solar thermal applications, refrigeration and air conditioning, internal combustion engines, alternative fuels, and many more. His research has garnered over 1,900 citations, reflecting his impact on the field. Throughout his career, Dr. Tiwari has been recognized for his excellence in research and teaching. Receiving several Best Paper Presentation Awards, he has guided numerous doctoral theses and has an extensive list of publications, including journal articles, conference proceedings, and book chapters. I request Dr. Tiwari for his speech.
Thank you, Kubeer. Good morning, distinguished dignitaries, esteemed colleagues, and participants from India around, and also from the globe. It is truly an honor and privilege to stand before you today at the Mechanical Engineering Conference, and I extend my warm greeting to all of you and express my gratitude to the organizing committee for inviting me as the guest of honor at the remarkable gathering. Allow me to begin by acknowledging the presence of the esteemed dignitaries on the dais, Mr. Asutosh Satpathy, GM Operation and Management NTP Zillara, Dr. R. Patidar, Vice Chancellor OPJU, Mr. R. Chang, Associate Program Director, MS Technology Management, Columbia, New York, USA, Dr. BBVL Deepak, Professor Industrial Engineering NIT Rourkela, Mr. S.S. Rathi, Dr. Mahesh Bhivapurkar, HOD Mechanical Engineering, OPGU. Your collective contribution to advancing mechanical engineering are deeply inspiring, and it is a privilege to share this platform with such distinguished personalities. The theme of this conference, Advancement, Innovation, and Automation for Sustainability, could not be more timely or relevant as we navigate the complexity of a rapidly evolving world. Mechanical engineering stands at the forefront of transforming industries and addressing global challenges. From energy efficient technologies to automated systems that optimize resource utilization, mechanical engineering is shaping the future of sustainability development. And this conference serves as a beacon of hope, offering a platform for thought leaders, innovators, and practitioners to exchange knowledge and collaborate on solutions that drive progress. My dear friends, we are living in the era where the need for sustainability has transcended conversations. It has become necessity. As engineers, researchers, and innovators. We shoul- shoulder a significant responsibility to leverage advancement in technology, not just for convenience, but for the survival and prosperity of future generations. Breakthrough Breakthrough in material science, robotics, artificial intelligence, and energy system are redefining the boundaries of what is possible in mechanical engineering. From lightweight composite to efficient thermal systems, these advancements are vital for creating sustainable solutions. True progress lies in innovation. It is through creative problem solving that we can develop system and technologies that address environmental concern while maintaining economic viability. For instance, 3D printing once was a futuristic concept is now revolutionizing manufacturing with minimum waste. Now at this point I would like to bring your kind attention टू हमारे जो प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी हैं उनका हर घर सोलर घर योजना. कुछ समय पहले तक इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल टू थिंक अबाउट प्रोड्यूसिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी विद द हेल्प ऑफ solar energy. Initially, the electricity produced by the solar energy was not capable to be thrown, to be put through in the line itself. पहले बैटरी में स्टोर करिए फिर यूज करिए. नाउ ये इनोवेशन है, ये सस्टेनेबिलिटी है, जिसके कारण नाउ वी कैन प्रोड्यूस एंड सप्लाई इनटू द ग्रिड. एंड नॉट ओनली अ सिंगल घर, ऑल द हाउसेस ऑफ द कंट्री कैन बी कन्वर्टेड लाइक दैट. पहले रोड बनती थी और हर 2 साल के बाद रोड के ऊपर डामर लगा देते थे आप. तो 10 साल में हर साल 4 इंच के हिसाब से 10 साल में वो 40 इंच ऊपर हो जाती थी और पहले वाला जो घर था वो गड्ढे में हो जाता था. नाउ यू आर कैपेबल टू ले डाउन द रोड जिसमें सामने एक गाड़ी चल रही है जो खरोंच के पूरा डामर अपनी पीठ में भर ले रही है और उसके पीछे नया डामर बिछते आ रहा है. एंड वी कैन डू लाइक दैट, एंड दिस इज ओनली पॉसिबल because of the innovations which our scientists, our engineers used to do. So I will like to continue with my words. That was conference like this provide a unique opportunity to collectively brainstorm solutions to these challenges जिनका जिक्र किया मैंने, और भी ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं. By pooling our expertise and fostering interdisciplinary collaboration. पहले बंदूक से गोली मारते थे किसी को, अब गोली उड़ के जाएगी और लगेगी थोड़ी देर निशाना साधने के बाद. यू माइट हैव सीन द ड्रोन्स लाइक दैट, जो हम जिसको कमांड दे सकते हैं कि जब तक तुम्हें इस तरीके की मुंडी ना दिखे शूट मत करना. So these are the innovations. As we delve into the session and discussion over the next 2 days, I encourage each of you to approach this conference with a sense of purpose and an open mind. Let us use this platform not just to share knowledge, but to forge partnership, inspire innovation, and develop actionable strategies. I urge everyone here to ask yourself, what can I contribute to advancing sustainable solutions? How can I collaborate with others to make a meaningful impact? These questions are at the heart of what this conference aims to achieve. Before I conclude, I want to once again thank the organizers for bringing us together for this important event. I also extend my gratitude to each participant for your commitment to making a difference through mechanical engineering. I am confident that the deliberations and insights shared in this conference will not only deepen our understanding of the challenges we face, but also inspire us to create innovations that lead to a sustainable, prosperous future. As we embark on this exciting journey of learning and collaboration, let us remember that mechanical engineering is more than a discipline. It is driver of progress and a beacon of hope for a sustainable tomorrow. Thank you, and I wish this conference every success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening address and highlighting the importance of mechanical engineering in providing solutions to the real world problems. Now, I invite our special guest, Sri S.S. Rathi, whole-time director, plant head, Nalwa Steel and Power Limited, Raigarh, to address the audience. Mr. Sardar Singh Rathi is a whole-time director and plant head at NSPL. He is basically a mechanical engineer with an MTech degree and having a vast experience of over 39 years in managing the operations of steel and power plants. So I welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. Respected chief guests, respected guest of honor, respected vice chancellor, respected all the dignitaries, all the faculties, and my students. It is a honor to be here today to witness the MEICON 1.0, 1.0, a significant milestone for the Department of Mechanical Engineering at OP Jindal University, Raigarh. This conference, with its focus on advancement, innovation, and automation for sustainability, tells us the critical role of mechanical engineering to bridge the gap between academia and industry to foster the sustainability driven innovations. OPJU always focus on students' overall development, not only in individual's career, but also scientific, cultural, and behavioral development also. I am sure that this program will be a great success for all of you. OPJU always follow the path shown by our Honorable Bauji, founding chairman of Jindal Group, to enlighten the society and the country by the light of knowledge. This is the vision of our Honorable Chairman of JSP Group and patron of OPJU, and also vision of Honorable Chancellor of OPJU, Madam Salo Jindal ji, to provide the best technological and advanced skilled education to all. We all know the challenges we have in today's world, like climate change, resource depletion, and rapidly growing global population. These challenges demand innovative solutions, and it is the engineers of today who will design and implement the technologies that will shape a sustainable future. In line with the advancement, innovation, and automation for sustainability, nowadays artificial intelligence and data science are transforming industries across the globe. By utilizing the power of data, business can gain valuable insights, automate process, make more informed decisions, increase efficiency, enhanced customer experience in almost all the sectors like healthcare, finance, manufacturing, retail, transformation, etc. At the same time, artificial intelligence and data science also has challenges like data quality, privacy, skills gap, etc., which need to be addressed effectively. Recently, you all might heard about the green steel. Honorable Union Minister, Steel Minister, Mr. S.D. Kumar Swamy also released a taxonomy of green steel with parameters for giving star rating on products based on the amount of carbon dioxide emitted during the production process. As per the ministry's taxonomy, green steel shall be defined in terms of percentage greenness of steel which is produced to equivalent emission intensely of less than 2.2 tons of carbon per ton of finished steel. The steel industry accounts for around 7% of global CO2 emissions, and India is the second largest producer of steel, has both the responsibility and opportunity to lead the charge in reducing emissions while maintaining growth so we can reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate the impacts of climate change. This conference provides a valuable platform for researchers, industry professionals, and students to share their ideas, exchange knowledge, and collaborate on solutions to the challenges we face. I am confident that our next generation of engineers carrying with the knowledge and skill acquired here at OP Jindal University, Raigarh, will play an important role in shaping a better tomorrow. Once again, I would like to thank you for inviting me and giving an opportunity to share my views, listen your views, and be a part of this international conference. At last, thanks to the organizer committee and all the faculty of OP Jindal University for a such best conference. I wish you all the success for this conference.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening address. Now I invite our chief guest of the ceremony, Sri Asutosh Satapathy, sir, General Manager, Operation and Maintenance, NTPC Lara, to deliver his address. Sri Asutosh Satapathy is an electrical engineering graduate from NIT Rourkela. Sir is also a management alumnus of Sambalpur University. He has over 35 years of experience in managing various divisions of thermal power plants, including project execution, testing, commissioning, and new project initiatives. His leadership and commitment to community engagement have significantly contributed to the growth and development of NTPC Lara as well as its surrounding areas. It will indeed be a great learning experience for all of us from the mechanical engineering fraternity to listen to his words of wisdom. Sir, please.
Thank you, sir. Good morning to one and all present on this great occasion. Most respected Dr. Patidar, sir, Vice Chancellor and Chairman of this program, most respected Mr. Art Chang, Associate Program Director, MS Technology Management, Columbia, who was joined over BC, and Dr. Anil Kumar Tiwari ji, Professor HAG, NIT Raipur, and Sri S.S. Rathi ji, Head of Nalwa, and Dr. Deepak ji, Professor NIT Rourkela, my own, I am an alumni, and I am proud to say this. And the convener of this, Dr. Mithilesh ji, Dr. Bhandarkar ji, and HOD Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Mahesh ji. I feel really extremely proud and privileged to have been invited and to be a part of this August gathering and to be present on this great occasion of MEICON 1.0. The effort done by mechanical engineering and particularly VC of this great university is really commendable, and it must give all the students of this institute, whoever will be is attending this program, a great opportunity to learn from the eminent personalities who are present here. I feel extremely happy to be invited, and I express my sincere thanks and gratitude to the organizers for inviting me and to be a part of this program. I really feel honored to be a part of the program where all such academicians, great academicians of our country and across country, all and beyond abroad are connected and are attending this program. This university, I was just hearing to the Vice Chancellor's words, the achievement this OP Jindal University, what they have achieved during this short tenure is really commendable, and sky is the limit. And the venture what they have taken up for signing up MOUs with industries and various universities all across world will definitely pave the way for enhancing the know-how and the knowledge and the wisdom. This university was established in 2009, and I was going through the achievements of this university, this great university. And I'm happy to share that this university has been number one among all the private universities in India, and number one in business law for continuously for last 5 years within India, and it has also earned great position abroad also, all across world. The basic purpose of this event is knowledge sharing, and all the eminent academicians will be presenting their research and the innovations they have done in various fields during this 2 days program, and which will definitely enlighten all the participants who will be attending this program. I am representing NTPC Lara, and I think it would be prudent to share some of the initiatives that are being taken in NTPC as well as Lara. NTPC has now become a 76,000 plus megawatt company, and we have forayed into diversifications, thermal generation, and now the need of the hour is renewables. And Dr. Tiwari, he is an expert in this field. And we are also pouring into renewables, and it is a challenge for us. And we have a vision of being 130 gigawatt company by 2032, And out of the 130 gigawatt capacity, total capacity of NTPC, and majorly will be having renewables. And it is a commitment that our country has given in the COP 2026 conference in November, held in United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, COP 26 in November 21, that we have to be a net zero compliant by 2070. It is a greatest challenge for all of us. So we have to control the green, we have to achieve zero greenhouse emissions, carbon dioxide. As a part of the step, what we have taken, NTPC has taken, we have established a pilot methanol production plant at Vindhyachal. It is first in India. That is a 10 tons per day capacity. And also, this is a first plant of this capacity internationally also. And this methanol production, we have already started from Vindhyachal, and this will be using for firing of our boilers. And even also all the green hub we have created very recently, that was inaugurated by our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, in Pudumadka in Andhra Pradesh, where ethanol production and green hydrogen, and it will be a green hub. And a MOU has also been signed with government of Andhra Pradesh, and an expenditure of 1,85,000 crore is also envisaged. Even also what NTPC in all across NTPC plants, we have gone ahead with the installation and commissioning of FGDs, flue gas desulfurization. And for that, we are spending around 0.5 crore per megawatt. And that is a huge expenditure that we are incurring. We are capturing the carbon dioxide from the flue gas. And with the desulfurization of the sulfur, so we are containing the SOx emissions. And that carbon dioxide we are capturing for production of methanol and ethanol. So it will reduce the carbon emissions. And even for desulfurization plants, FGDs, where we are having, there we are, from the flue gas, we are trapping SOx, and from that we are producing gypsum, which is also a byproduct, and that is also used in cement productions. So all these steps we have to take, because we have to be very, very cautious how to take care of the environment. So by around 2047, hopefully, gradually will be our thermal units will be coming down. Definitely, we will be backing down thermal industries and will be going for renewables. So it is the need of the hour. It is a challenge for us. We cannot play with the environment. And our government, our Honorable Prime Minister, he has himself declared that we have to be net zero. And I am also glad to share that I was also hearing to the speech of the Vice Chancellor, and he was telling that OP Jindal University is going for MOUs with so many universities, so many industries. I am glad to inform you all that NTPC Lara has also signed an MOU with OP Jindal University, where we'll be providing all the platforms to all the students for visiting our plant and getting an on-field experience. Theory and practical both go hand in hand. And you should all feel fortunate to be a student of this great university. And Lara, just 20 kilometers away from this place, and our plant will be always open for you. And I am to say that it is the plant with the latest technology of international technology. Our units are supercritical units, and where the efficiency is definitely much higher than the subcritical units. And the pollution is also less. And where our FGDs are also already commissioned, and the heat rate of these supercritical units are also very less. And we are performing, and I am happy to share that till October, we are number in one amongst all NTPC plants. And as far as PLF is concerned, and subsequently we had overhauling of one unit that we also completed before schedule. And we aspire that we'll be becoming number one with the present trend, the way we are running our plant by end of this financial year. So our plant is open for you all students, and I really take this opportunity to thank one and all present here, and to be a part of this great conference. And I wish that this university would be also making such type of conferences in the years, in the days to come, so as to give you all an opportunity and to participate and enlighten your knowledge. Thank you, one and all. I pray Almighty to shower all the blessings on you and on all your family for a happy and great future ahead. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you for your words of wisdom, sir. We are now excited to unveil the Book of Abstracts for MEICON 1.0, a compilation of the abstracts of the manuscripts accepted for presentation at this conference. I invite our distinguished guests to unveil the Book of Abstracts. Thank you, sirs. It's now time to felicitate our dignitaries with mementos as a token of appreciation. I request Chairman MEICON 1.0 and our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, Dr. R.D. Patidar, to present the mementos to all the dignitaries. Shri Ashutosh Satpathy, sir. Dr. Anil Kumar Tiwari, sir. Shri S.S. Rathi, sir. Dr. BBVL Deepak, sir. Thank you, sir. As we come to the end of this inaugural function, I will now invite convener MEICON 1.0, Dr. Michilesh Kumar Sahu, to deliver the vote of thanks. Sir, please.
Good morning to all the dignitaries, faculty members, and participants. On behalf of the organizing committee of MEICON 1.0 and the Department of Mechanical Engineering at OP Jindal University, it is my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks for this momentous inaugural session of MEICON 1.0 on advancements, innovation, and automation for sustainability. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Ashutosh Satapathy, GM O&M NTPC Lara Raigarh, and special guest Mr. S.S. Rati for gracing us with their presence and delivering an inspiring address. Sir, your expertise and thoughtful words on sustainable energy practices have provided us with a fresh perspective on the role of industry in addressing global challenges. I sincerely thank our guest of honor, Mr. Anil Kumar Tiwari, Professor NIT Raipur. Sir, your valuable insights have set the perfect tone for this conference and motivated us to push the boundaries of sustainable innovation. A special thank to Professor Art Chang from Columbia University School of Professional Studies, New York, USA, for joining us virtually and sharing profound knowledge of global trends in sustainability and innovation. So your presence has added an international dimensions to our discussion, enriching the academic depth of this conference. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. R.D. Patidar sir, for his guidance, vision, and unwavering support in organizing this conference. Sir, your encouragement and leadership have been instrumental in making MEICON 1.0 a reality. I express my sincere gratitude to all the representatives from industries and institutions such as MSP, JIP, Jindal Mines, JSW, SSD, and JSP Raigarh. I must also take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all the faculty members, organizing committee members, student volunteers, designing team, and technical staff for their tireless efforts and meticulous planning. Your dedication has ensured the seamless execution of this event. Lastly, I thank all the distinguished guests, participants, and attendees for joining us today. Your presence and active participation reflect your commitment and devotion to advancing knowledge in mechanical engineering and sustainability. Now, as we embark on the sessions and discussions that lie ahead, I am confident that MEICON 1.0 will serve as a catalyst for meaningful collaborations and pioneering solutions for a sustainable future. Thank you once again, and I wish you all a productive and engaging sessions in the conference. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So this brings us to the end of the inaugural function. We invite you all to please join us for high tea outside the MP hall. Thank you once again for your gracious presence. I request all of you to join the plenary sessions here starting from 11:45 a.m. Thank you, sir.